After some elevation and almost an incline hike, it has gotten a little quieter here, and I see that this patch is running a little smooth. So I just wanted to share that you get little treats in between when you are really not hiking in elevations, but there are some patches where you can actually catch up with your breath and soak in some of the views which you have. Although there are times when they're covered in trees and all that, but then you come all in this open area and are able to enjoy the blue sky, the beautiful trees, the mountains, the fresh air, and the best part of it that I don't see anybody. Actually, in this hike, I have only seen a couple of people who were at the old trail, but this particular one, which is going up in the mountains, you can see that these are the kind of flowers which you get to see and entertain yourself. It's almost heaven on earth. Absolutely beautiful and phenomenal. Colorado at its best, especially at this time of the season where the weather is almost perfect. I did get a little sunny, but now that there are clouds on and off, I see that it's getting a lot more easier to cover my distance now. Enjoy.